What it do? What's up? KDiani here in the cut. And as titled, today I'm going to be talking to you guys about if I regret bleaching my hair. So if you're new to my channel and you clicked on this video, make sure you press that subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so that you are notified when I upload a new video. So if you know, you know. My previous video, I did upload it and it was on me bleaching my hair. It's about to be 2 weeks now since I bleached my hair. If you watched it, you can see now it looks totally different from how it looked in the video after I bleached it. Like after I bleached it, it looked totally trash, like really trash. My coils were really tight, but then at the ends it was like really stretched out. It looked terrible. This is actually a picture of what it looks like, and I really wasn't happy with it. I was happy with the color, but I wasn't happy with my hair. I do love the color, but it did damage my hair. As you guys can see on this side, these like top hairs right here, all of this really isn't curly. Like only at the bottom it's curly. Up here in the front parts around my face it's curly, but not so much at the top. Like you can see the curls are really loose. They don't have any elasticity. Here, if I pull this one, for example, it has some jump back, but it's not curly. So in a way, I regret bleaching my hair, but I don't regret bleaching my hair. I do because, hold on, I get a little emotional. I do because I miss all like my whole head being like this, but then it's like I don't regret it because I got a bomb color, and then I have hope in my hair. Like seeing that I had shrinkage this morning, because last night I didn't really wash my hair. I just wet my hair and put conditioner in it and rinsed it out, and then I did a leave-in conditioner and I put that in my head and I let my hair air dry. Overnight I slept like this because I didn't want the curls to crinkle up, and my hair was smaller than this. I basically fluffed this out with my hand, but I did have shrinkage, and being that I did see I had shrinkage made me really happy, because that's how you know your hair is like okay. Like my hair isn't excellent like how it was, but it's okay, and that gives me hope. Like I know I can bring my curls back without doing a big chop or anything like that. Of course I should do my trims. I did trim a little bit of my ends because they were frail, but I do now like try to moisturize on the daily, make sure the ends of my hair get moisture. Because like with this light that I have on it, my hair may look like, oh, it looks healthy or whatnot. It's not really healthy. It's like semi-healthy. And this is what my hair looks like from the side. And this is what it looks like from the back. Another downside of bleaching my hair, I can't do my regular hair routine, how I would use my leave-in conditioner, a gel, and then I can use my blow dryer to blow dry it and get that volume that I want. And usually I don't wear my hair parted to the side. I mean, I don't mind, but I don't really wear my hair parted to the side. I usually wear it down the middle, or all my hair comes to the front basically like this. But being that these aren't curly, doesn't look right, and I have to just settle with the side part for now. So that's the only thing that sucks, because I'm really used to making my hair really big, but I can't make it big because it's already frizzy as is because of the bleach damage. So the only thing it's gonna do is just make it even more frizzy. It's not even gonna look like I have curls. It's gonna look like I combed out my curls, and you don't want that. And you don't want to manipulate your curls or your natural hair too much when it's already been stressed out from bleach, because it can cause more breakage and damage. So you do want to do like low manipulation hairstyles. I have for the past couple days I have been doing like flexi rod sets in my hair. I really like the way those turned out, but they're a tad bit time consuming, and that's why I didn't do it before when my natural hair was healthy. But now I have to get back to doing those type of protective styles if I want to, like, you know, get my hair strength back, because I can't do my hair how I usually would. But I really like the way my hair air dried just a little bit. Not 100% happy with it, but I do like that I can see, you can tell like, oh, she's a curly girl, but she has some damage to her hair. So I'm kind of okay with that, but really want to get it back to its natural state, which I feel like it will get there. Probably maybe, let's say 2 months, maybe 3, if I'm really consistent with my protein treatments and deep conditioning treatments. Speaking of protein treatments, after I did bleach my hair, I did do a protein treatment right after. And when I did the protein treatment, I let it sit in my hair. I did see like the wave pattern coming in, and it just made me like so happy on the inside. But then when I rinsed it out and I tried to do my regular hair routine, it didn't come out how my regular hair would come out, so I was kind of bummed. So I had to do a flexi rod set. So after I realized that my hair is not going to revert to its natural state right away, it just hit me like, oh, you just have to be consistent and stuff like that. And when that time comes, when you do wash your hair, I can see when my curls are like there, because my curls in the shower, they're really like a wavy pattern. If I scrunch, it's not going to create that weird Z or a little S or whatever. It's going to be like a curl. But this video wasn't meant to be long. It was meant to be like short and sweet. If you're actually going through the same thing as I am, chemical damage, bleach damage, color damage, but you still have your curls, they're still whole, don't go ahead and grab your scissors so quick. Just do a couple like trim here and there. Don't get scissor happy and go crazy, you know what I'm saying? And we can be on this journey to bring our curls back together, you know what I'm saying? Even with like heat damage, you don't have to cut all your hair off in order to bring it back. I mean, it's preferred, but you don't have to. But yes, I knew better, but I was impatient, and this is what impatientness brings you. And now you gotta work 2 times harder to bring your hair's health back. I would say do this if you want to achieve this color and you know you don't know what you're doing. Go get it done professionally or get some help. If you do plan on doing it by yourself, do like major research. Look at people's mistakes like mine and don't do what I do, which is double processing. Do not double process at all. It's always a process with natural hair or any hair in general. You shouldn't want to just jump to a bright color like this right away, especially if you're a dark haired girl. You want to start off slow and then make your way up. Wait at least like 3+ months in between before you actually go in and retouch your hair to brighten it up. But if you made it this far throughout the video, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and most of all, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that post notification so that you are notified when I upload a new video. And I do have a video dropping on Saturday. I feel like it's going to be really exciting and fun. So it is a kind of like a do-it-yourself type thing, but you guys can do it. So with that being said, till next time, muchos besitos.